Okay, let's look at question 10. We want to find LCM and HCF of 105 and 90. Okay, we know there are three methods, but for method number 1, you can't really do it with HCF easily. You need to, because to find out the factors, it will take a while and maybe not correct. For HCF, you can do it this way, like times 1 times 2 times 3, or you add 105, add 105, add 105. That's the same thing, but that's way too complicated. So just cross it out. Don't use method number 1. Now, method number 2 is a Venn diagram. Okay, so to use Venn diagram, you first need to find factor trees. In factor tree, you need to find prime numbers. Hopefully, you have the list of prime numbers here. So first, we have 105. We want to separate into two numbers. So from 5, you can see divisibility test. 5 can go into it, and we will find 21. If you are not sure why it is 21, I'm going to give you a quick reminder. So 105, we could have 3 boxes here, right? So 105. So we want to divide by 5. So we want to separate them into 5 groups. 1, we can do it, no problem. Just make it into 10 tenths. Okay, and then we have 5 and then 5. So total there are 2 groups here, and then this is 5, 1 group, so that's 21. So you have 21 in each group. Okay, so that's why it's 21. Once you have 21, you can separate into 3 and 7. If you're not sure, check your times table. You will find 3 and 7. Now for 90, you can separate into, that's 0. So divisibility test, that will be, it can give you 10. Okay, so 10, that will be 9. Okay, so for 9, that will be 3 and 3. For 10, it's 2 and 5. Remember, we're looking for prime number. So that's all the prime numbers. Circle them once you get the prime number to remind you to stop. Now, we draw 2 Venn diagrams here. One is for 105. The other one is for 90. Okay. Now, the common parts, look at all these prime factors here. So the 3 and the 5 are the common ones. So write down 3 and 5 here. Now for 105, you still have 7 here because 7 times 3 times 5 is 105. So don't forget 7. For 90 is 3 and 2 because 3 times 2 times 3 times 5 give you 90. Okay, so this is the common. So highest common factor will be the middle one, 3 times 5. The lowest common multiple, although it's called lowest, the number actually is bigger. Some of you get confused. You think the lowest is the small number. No, the lowest common multiple, actually the number is bigger. So because it is the number, both 90 and 105 can go into it. Okay, so the number will be fairly big. It's bigger than 90 and 105. Okay, so what do? We just times all the number together because this will make up the biggest number. 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. So you can write it that way, or you can times together, give you 630.